Here we are, guys. Here we are again. Hello, hello. We are live. Am I seeing my face now? Am I seeing my face? One moment. Star. What am I doing here? What am I doing here? I'm just setting this up, right? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Of course, we don't have the main thing, just a review tonight, but the main event is coming very, very soon, guys. Let me get everything up and running here. The main event is coming extremely soon. Okay, I got my Forex Factory there. And I hope I can get my coin telegraph here. Maybe this is the black swan that will happen. Very cool, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go here. Let's go here. What are we talking about here? Let's see here. Okay, there we go. There. Coolness, coolness. Come in, come in, come in. It is a Hari Raya. Selamat Hari Raya to everyone who is celebrating today. The victory today. And we have a Wimbledon final afterwards. Cool. And let's see what's happening in the news and why I think there are many better days ahead now, starting now. Let me adjust this and then I can think we can go on our way here. Hope you guys are enjoying your holiday. I just try to stick to the schedule, you know, because holidays are also a good time to do work. So I want to focus on work tomorrow. So I just thought I'm not going to break the schedule and just do it as is. Okay. Okay. What is this? Singapore crypto exchange freezes withdrawals, keys lost in the vault. What is happening here? We're going to see all this news also, right? Peter Schiff. I am just not your keys, not your coins. I mean, there's so many cases just happening here. And now it's in Singapore. Oh, give me a break, guys. Give me a break. Ah, man. So many things that we are listening to now. Come in, come in, come in. On a day on Wednesday is our big day. Don't forget, guys, remember why Wednesday is such a big day. We have a huge day on Wednesday, okay, right? Inflation, but I want to show you some good news that's happening. Why I think we are near a macro bottom. It can still go. Okay, hi. I'm just saying that in the entire, hey, I'm just saying that in the entire scheme of things, we are probably hitting a bottom zone already. Okay, because I just saw two things happen last week. Hey, how are you, Claire? And we're going to bring some news on Singapore also. Yet another exchange that is getting in trouble. Please be careful if you have money on exchanges. Guys, if you have money on large exchanges, it is okay. Have money on small exchanges, not so okay. I just heard this. What is this? Even in super clean Singapore, we have a problem of withdrawals of an exchange that's based in squeaky clean Singapore. That is scary. That is scary. I hope the authorities there are on it so that people get their withdrawals too. Just go and seeing this news on Cointelegraph. Don't worry, I will tell it to you. Of course, you know, nowadays what we do is we start with our most famous and infamous Forex Factory, which unfortunately you guys are going to have to see more of in the future, okay? Because seriously, Forex factories determine a lot of things. And if what I say, what the cycles are correct, July, August kind of should be good, okay? should be good for crypto. So I hope you have your things ready also. We are also seeing progress in NFTs. Borates going up because of the other side deeds to land is coming soon, right, on the 16th. So if you guys are from Asia, you guys couldn't play, then you should be able to play on the 16th. The Saudis, I don't know what they are. They seem to be hot. This is all the free mints, guys, free mints. Like, what's happening to the Saudis? Let's just go and try to find Saudis. You're together Illuvium just now, right? I have no idea. That's right. What is the Saudis NFT? Is this the Saudis NFT? I don't even know this. The Saudis, yeah. Guys, the Saudis sold out. This guy sold out. Oh my God. The Saudis, guys, it hit like 1 ether. This is crazy. Don't mess with the Saudis, bro. So again, for the NFTs, either you get memes like this, which are free, or you go for the quality ones, okay? So the good thing is I do see some value. NFTs are finally showing their value in this bear market, which is good. I've seen some that have gone up despite this bear, which is good again. Okay. Welcome again. No, we're not talking about the Saudis. We're going to talk here about what's happening to the markets. Of course, we go to Forex Factory. What is up this week? Again, Monday, nothing. GBP, okay, they're going to have a new PM. GBP USD rallied, pound rallied after Boris Johnson stepped down. Bailey speaks on Wednesday. This is key, guys. Wednesday, this CPI and core CPI is so key. But I'm more confident now because of what happened last week. Okay, and I'll show you about it. BOC rate statement, Canada. No, I don't care about that. I care about this because this affects everything. And of course, the following week, you don't see it here. It is the Fed decision, not the following week, the week after next week. The Fed decision and also the GDP. Okay, next week is cool. PPI, producer price index. So if this goes good, we kind of have a free run for the next 2 weeks. Or if it can turn around. I'm not that worried if it doesn't do good also. Okay, let's look at some of the charts here. Again, US dollar currency index. I look at this a lot because we need for this to go down for the Bitcoin and all the risk on assets to go back up, right? When will it hit this? Well, if it hits this, euro will definitely be below 1 to the US dollar, which I think is good. So look carefully at this. What I saw on Friday, I think was very, very good. Also, US 100 CFD. This is the NASDAQ. This is the day, but I'd like to show you the hourly chart. This is what I like about this, okay? This is what I really, really like about this. What is today? That's 3. Look at that. Look at that. After NFP, it went down. Rightfully so. It goes down after NFP because NFP is good, right? NFP is good. So when NFP is good, it increases the chance of the Federal Reserve increasing interest rate. That's why sometimes it's very hard to do things during the NFP, right? So it's bad. We wanted a worse decision, but NFP had a very good decision, which people are saying like, is there even going to be a recession, which is not good, you know? It's like 372 versus 268. That was a blowout number in my humble opinion. So it's not good. And then it goes here. And then people will say, hey, if it goes down, that means the Fed is going to raise by more, right? So that should be good. And then it goes back up again. And that's good. Because now it's like the market is finding an excuse to go up. At least the traditional markets, okay? Now, there's still some danger in Bitcoin and all that, and I'll show you what it's all about. But at least from this, it is trying to go up. This is the NASDAQ. You can look at the Dow, you can look at the S&P. It would be the same now. Do we have the S&P here? Do I even have the S&P? Let's put indicators here. I want to see the 50, right? I want to see the SMA 50. Can I see the SMA here? And see where this is. How many SMAs do you have here? Oh, I got so many SMAs. Yeah, as if I need all these SMAs, guys. Come on. I'm just going to go and adjust these. Just want the 50 and 200. Golden death cross. Okay. Make this clearer. I'll make this blue. Okay, look at that. So that's the 200. Look at that. That's the hour. Not interested in the hour. Interested in at least the daily, right? So there it is. This is battling with the 50, right? That's cool. The 200 should be way, way far away. I'm gonna just go here and adjust the 200 here. Thank you very much. Red. I can see it more. Okay, there it is. So again, resistance, resistance. If we can resist this, if you want to do a punt, be careful on Wednesday. Okay, it looks like it does want to go up. If it's going back down here, I'm actually very interested to go in. Okay, so I like this as a punt here on the NASDAQ. That's kind of cool. Can I see the S&P here? Then we're going to see Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin is your favorite thing. Again, S&P, again, I kind of like it here, right? Again, it's going up to this line again, the 50 here. This is cool. This is what I like. This is what I like. Look at that. And there's a gap here, right? There's a big gap here. I kind of like this also for a punt. Be careful on Wednesday. That's what I'm telling you. Be careful on Wednesday. Nikkei. Nikkei fell down a lot. Abe, but look, it just rebounded. What is this daily? Can I see the 4 hour? Like Nikkei, like totally crashed, like amazingly crashed here, right? It was just going up, 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 and then just crashed. It's totally crashed. And then it goes back up again. So that's what I said. These markets finally are showing a sign of going up. And if you know how to read this, this is what? Higher lows, right? This is good. Have not seen that in a long, long time. So as I told my students, get your charts right, because it's time that money can really be made in these periods of time, right? Of course, we don't forget the Bitcoin. Same thing here. Same thing here, guys. I got my fibs up here. Again, the key part is this 21,784. This is really key. This is really key here. Look, 21,784, struggling around here. We're now at 21,2. But if it goes up here, it is, where was this? 22,4, 22,5, right? Somewhere here, 22,5, that is, the resistance is coming down here, you know. So again, Bitcoin will have to clear this. But the good thing is this, look at that, 1, 2, 3, it finally cleared this part. Look at that. Look at that. Higher lows. Higher lows. So finally, we are seeing something that is more encouraging. So both of us have 50 resistance, right? Both of us have 50, whether Bitcoin or the S&P or the NASDAQ have resistance at the 50. This is good. This is darn good, okay? So just, if you want to punt, I'll probably be punting, just stay in the group. I'll probably be punting for some trades as early as tomorrow. I want to see what it goes up tomorrow. Let's see what's happening here. ETH land, okay? I was looking at this more on this. Euro, US dollar, yeah. When are you going to go down to 1? Just get to 1 so I can chase you guys up, okay? I'm going to look for more Euro news and try to get it down here and then probably go back up, okay? So the markets look quite good. Let's see this. So Elon Musk terminates 44 billion deal. Okay. Let's see what's happening here, and let's see this on a basis 41.4. Okay. So Bitcoin needs to steady if you guys are going to get an alts rally, right? Bitcoin needs to steady. And of course, Wednesday, remember, if we have a good inflation print on Wednesday, what's Wednesday? 13th. We got kind of a 2-week thing, okay, where there's nothing much happening. And a lot can happen during those 2 weeks, and alts rally or whatever it is, okay? So we really need this Wednesday thing, okay? So otherwise, it looks good. I saw this, yeah. Is it going to above one, almost 1 trillion would be resistance naturally. That's okay. That is okay. Again, when you look at OpenSea, look at that. The apes are going up. I see a lot of good movement from Art Blocks Curated, Mutants. What is this? Moonbirds, wow, going up again. Tyler Forbes, Cadenzas, of course. Azuki, interesting. Interesting. So again, those who are coming on the 24th, IRL on the 24th, guys, we got a lot of work to do, okay? What else do we want to see here? Let's see news here. How the pandemic may lead more manufacturers to the US. Retirement track strategy, handshakes. Recession hitting the US in mid-2023. Kind of makes sense, because it doesn't make sense this year since so many jobs are being created. I don't understand it. I really don't understand it. Voyager, this one has filed for bankruptcy. Okay, if you have this coin, so Canadian has filed for bankruptcy. So again, if you have something on the small exchanges, be careful. Maybe you want to take it out, because although they may be resolved, and I'm going to show you something after it takes a long time for it to be resolved. Okay, what was Voyager at before? Max. Wow, 12 bucks. Ooh. Early at 6.85, and it's only now 20 cents. That is kind of nasty there, okay? My wife and I are in our 50s with 300K in savings and 700 in pension, okay? Will earnings season also, remember, the risk this week is earnings seasons, okay? So recession clues, the next one could be messier, yeah, because of earnings season. That's what I want to see tomorrow before I punt. If you're in my group, you'll know when I punt. Snapping out bargains again, but not Bitcoin, okay? So let's go here. This is so important here, guys. US dominates crypto installation. I just want to see you this. Wow, Cardano Shark scoop up 79, ADA ahead of Vessel, hard fork. Ethereum is a security, don't say that. But the thing that I want to show you here is this, hot stories. Okay, Bitcoin, you know that I thought, if there's something in Voyager, they are resolving it. 3AC owes them a lot, so they might recover something like Mt. Gox. These guys are getting back their BTC, okay? 150,000 BTC could be flooding the market. So this is what brings it to its final down. This thing, and also the hash rate, okay? This thing, cash Bitcoin or Bitcoin cash. I hope they ask for cash, but still they will have to take out Bitcoin, right? So the rehabilitation trustee is preparing to make repayments in accordance with the Tokyo District Court. Final and binding decision November 16 last year. So this might happen soon. And this 50,000 Tether collapse, unable to redeem, total stock market crash. Black Swan still to come. Oh, this is cool. Mt. Gox Milton get their Bitcoin release. Tether unable to redeem, stock market crash, Taiwan invasion, Ukraine is escalation. Satoshi alive and move some BTC from Genesis wallet. Schiff buys Bitcoin. Can it be Peter Schiff buys Bitcoin? Talk about Peter Schiff afterwards, okay? Yeah, when the payouts begun, you really do not want to be near Bitcoin, okay? Because they waited for a long time. Understood. What else do we have here? Let's go back. Let's go back here. Bitcoin cheap at 20K, Ethereum here. I'm going to go to hot stories here. Say, this is very funny, you know. This is very funny, guys. Peter Schiff is a gold bull, and yet they close off his bank. He should keep some of his money in Bitcoin. Seriously, look at that. Known in the community anti-crypto sentiment, has his bank shut down by Puerto Rico regulators, right? You might lose your money. Despite no evidence of crime, Puerto Rico regulators closed my bank anyway for net capital issues rather than allow a sale to highly qualified buyer. He wants to sell it. Why, Peter? Why? To inject capital fund in excess of regulatory minimums. As a result, accounts are frozen, customers may lose money. Come on, Peter. He was unaware of regulatory minimums and not presented with any form of legal notice prior to the abrupt closure. It costs a fortune to run a small banks. That's why I never really made any money. The compliance costs are outrageous. They've been using Bitcoin. This would not have been possible. Yeah, should have had Peter DeFi too. Okay, this is one thing. Now, the other thing that I saw of this or so is something in Singapore. Again, a small exchange again. Guys, be careful if you are using a small exchange. I'll show you something that I never saw in 2018, okay, in things of crypto. This is why I think crypto, I'm still positive of crypto. Not your keys, not your coins. Crypto CeFi lender Vol has suspended all withdrawals, trading, and deposits. Has made difficult decision to suspend all withdrawal, trading, and deposit on the Vol platform. Apply the Singapore courts for a moratorium as Vol customer had withdrawn in excess of 197 million since 12 June. Is that you, Claire? Were you trying to withdraw this? Suspend withdrawal. Posted 1 billion in assets under management in May. Operate as usual. Companies, you see how fast it goes? Oh my God. Cut its sins by 30% under duress. Three Arrows Capital was an early investor in the company. Okay. Is Vol exposed to 3AC, Celsius, Finblocks, Voyager? Everyone is going down. With no direct exposure. What's happening there? Volatile market conditions. Yeah, but this 3AC is causing a lot of problem for CeFi companies, right? Wow, 560 million to $670. How can you go? Withdraw to the cold wallet now. Yeah, it's really going to take a long time, okay? Oh man, this is sad. So guys, if you need to protect your stuff, please look at all your things in small exchanges. If it's in big exchange, take it out also, but it's more okay if you have it in a big exchange. Not your keys, not your stuff, okay? So just be careful of that. And what else do we have here? Let's go back. Here, Bitcoin chip. Okay, this is what I did not see. Okay, now one of the things that I'm quite positive about this market, despite the bear market, is this. Look at this. The VCs are still pumping money in. In 2018, the bear, no one was pumping money in. Okay, no one. It's like no one was putting money even in. People had to bootstrap. The ones who wanted to go ahead had to bootstrap. So a lot has happened in the BTC market since our last roundup. Look at this. Bitcoin startup raises funds to monetize creator economy. That's good. Mash raised 6 million in seed funding. NFT app Floor, Series A investment value at 8 million to make his mission of making more NFTs accessible to mainstream. This is good. See, all of these are putting money into crypto. This is good. I did not see this in 2018. Earlier received another crypto protocol, 32 million funding round. Wow, Hound Ventures, FTX, Coinbase Ventures, Jump Crypto. This is good. Who's Euler? Are they going to have an ICO soon? Okay. IDO soon. I'm mentioning the bad word, right? I'm just mentioning. Don't worry. Web3 and decentralized identity attack VC interest. So decentralized identity protocol and Web3 is good. Look at that. KYVE. I don't know. Web3 archiving protocol. Interesting. Yeah, but see, that's what I said. There's a lot of things. There is so many things that are Utmost Labs, targets Metaverse Sports, even Metaverse, 11 million seed round. So all of these are still happening. This is good. This is good, guys. This is good. All of these are still happening. Now we just have to learn how to plan our things with the traditional markets, right? How to plan this with the traditional markets, how to look at the traditional markets and also at Bitcoin so that we don't get caught. Okay, everything works in its own way. Okay, guys, any questions? Any questions? This is a short one, but join me at 8:15 on Wednesday. That is the big day. That is when we have the inflation. I think this is going to happen. If we have good inflation numbers, then that's good. Good for the market. You guys know what to do. I do not foresee myself is if I'm into position in some index, I will definitely get out before. If we have a bad number, maybe it becomes like Friday, we go down and then we go back up again. That's what I think will happen. The market seems to be having excuses to go up, but then let's see what we are on Wednesday. Okay, when we come back on Wednesday, just be careful out there. Okay, guys, any questions? Any questions you have to ask? Have a good Hari Raya, okay? Have a good Hari Raya. What is this? Whoa, I'm out millions of dollars. What is this? Oh boy. Robert first. 9% annual yield. How much did this put here? 6 figures. Oh my God, 70% of his savings. Ooh. And now it's bankruptcy. Man, this is bad. Oh. Voyager is not. See, Voyager is not FDIC insured. Metropolitan is. This is the problem. Every day I cry. Yeah, what do you tell to your wife, Robert? Don't be like Robert, guys. Anyone else has any questions? Don't be like Robert like this. Please be careful of your keys. Please be careful of your funds now. If the crypto exchange is small, please move it out now, like now. Look at all the crypto things, right? Mara. This is related to crypto. Hey, this is my watch list. What am I talking about? Riot blockchain. Look at Mara. You can even play crypto through Mara now, okay? Since we do expect a rebound. Look at the price coming in soon, okay? I'm going to go this. Look at it. This is Mara, okay? Yeah, see Mara went down. 530 is now 850, right? So it's turned. So it's turned around. I'm just showing you Riot blockchain. Mara is a Marathon Digital. Look at that. I cannot draw the line, but there's probably a downtrending that is broken up. Where's Riot blockchain? Is going to show you that. So it doesn't need to be through Bitcoin or through cryptos if you're scared. If you're scared of the unlock of the Bitcoin, you can always do this through shares also, right? Riot blockchain. Let me give you year to date. Yeah, look at that. See, everything is turning, right? You see that, right? 4 to 546. Mara is better. Just like Hood, right? Robin Hood and all that. Because like GME, okay, GME, they just fired their CFO. That's fine. Otherwise, it was doing quite good. That's quite interesting, you know, because they're going to have a gaming platform on this, right? And look at that. Look at that. So that's kind of cool, okay? So again, I hope to see you soon. Okay, guys, thank you very much. See you on Wednesday. Don't miss it. Follow my socials all on Wednesday. Follow my Telegram group on Wednesday because you do not want to miss Wednesday, okay? We're going to see what's going to happen on Wednesday. I'm just going to put down my Telegram group in here. And if you follow my Discord already, that's good. And yeah, if not, follow my Telegram and you should see the links there. Remember, Wednesday is our D-Day. Wednesday, we determine everything, but I'm not as worried as I was before. Again, as I repeat, I see the Nikkei, I see the S&P all just trying to clear this. You see this? Once it clears this, fireworks. Look at that. Can you see this? Can you guys see this? Look at this. Let me draw you something if you do not see this. Look at that. Look at that area there. Look, support, boom. Resistance, boom, resistance. Clear that. We'll have a good July. And even our crypto folks are going to be happy. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Bye. See you.